Hey y'all, got this Rheem inducer over here, Rheem criterion gas furnace inducer. Alright, here we go. Let's see how much. Open her up. Got cooling going in our tent. That's how it works, swamp cooler. That's a Rheem inducer. It blows a ton of air. It's cast aluminum. Real good inducer, nice and quiet, smooth and quiet. Plugs into 110, I plugged it in. And I got a box fan in there. New one I just installed. So, this is for Steve and Lawnmower and everybody else. Appreciate y'all. We're gonna all be good friends. Yes, I appreciate y'all. Yep. Get this cover on. And I got the hot tub over there running. And I got dogs. Yep, they're all doing good. Pause. This right over here is our box fan, and there's our cooling. And this is our, hang on. Now this is our return right here. Return, inducer, everything. So I'll see y'all later. You have a good one, Steve. I'll see you in the videos.